Hi, welcome to Vietsound channel. Today we're going to talk about the E sound in Vietnamese. And also we are going to talk about the long E sound and the short E sound in Vietnamese. So are you ready? Let's get started. To pronounce the E sound in Vietnamese, your mouth should be opened horizontally, like you're smiling a little bit. And to remember that the E sound is a front vowel sound, so your front part of your tongue should be on a high position. Okay, so let's pronounce E, E. Okay, so the long E sound and the short E sound, they are pronounced really the same if they occur directly after a consonant, like in the words gi, he. So we can hear that they are pronounced in the same way, but when the E, long E, and the short E sound occur after vowels like a, u, they are pronounced differently. Okay, first we're going to talk about some situation when the E sound occur after consonants. Mi, these two words are pronounced the same. Kỳ, kỳ thi, quốc kỳ. Ti hí, du hí. Okay, so when the E sound occur after vowels like a, u, so we have the long E sound and the short E sound. Okay, so let's compare these two words. The first word is I, and the second one is I. Okay, let's compare again. I. So we can hear that on the first word, the A sound is very long, but the E sound is very short. And on the second word, the A sound is very short, but the E sound is very long. Okay, let's hear how I pronounce these two words again. I. So can you hear the difference? So let's practice some words with the long E sound and the short E sound. Hai, tai, chai, mai, mới, rơi, dây, vui, củi, quý, hai tay, ngày mai, cái tay, nơi này. Trò chơi này rất hay. Mai là ngày vui của mây. Now a little bit faster. Mai là ngày vui của mây. Cái chày rơi vào tay. Now a little bit faster. Cái chày rơi vào tay. Okay, you've done very well. If you want to download the textbooks, get the link in the description. Or if you want to make donation from me, so get the information in the description. Thank you for watching.